Friends, I am Sarika Shah. Today I am going to explain about direct and indirect speech. Introduction. There are two ways to convey a message of a person or the words spoken by a person to other person. First is a direct speech and second one is a indirect speech. Suppose your friend whose name is John tells you in school, I will give you a pen. You come to home and you want to tell your brother what your friend told to you. So there are two ways to tell him. First is a direct speech. John said, comma, double inverted comma, I will give you a pen. Full stop. And indirect speech, John said that he would give me a pen. In direct speech, the original words of person are narrated. No changes is made and are enclosed in quotation mark. Well, in indirect speech, some changes are made in original words of the person. Clear? So, because these words have been uttered in past, so the tenses will change accordingly and pronouns may also be changed. Okay. In indirect speech, the statement of the person is not enclosed in question marks. The word that may be used before the statement to show that is in indirect speech. Clear? So, indirect speech is also called a reported speech because reported speech refers to the sound second part of indirect speech is which something has been told by a person. Listen. So when we convert direct speech to indirect speech, first thing we remove comma and quotation mark, and then according to tense we have to change its pronouns also. Okay, and then make our sentence. Totally sentence convert in past tenses. So there are two parts in the any direct speech. First is a reported verb. The verb, first part of sentence. Example, he said, she said, he says, they said, she says. These types of if given before beginning of the sentence, that known as a reporting verb. Before the sentence of a person is sentence is called reporting verb. Then second part is reported speech. Which one is given in double inverted comma? Clear? Like he said. So he said is a reporting verb, and I work in a factory. So this is reported speech. So he said that he worked in a factory. So direct and indirect speech. They said we are going to cinema. This is direct speech. We convert into indirect speech. They said that they were going to cinema. Indirect speech. Clear? Now second part is reported speech. The second part of indirect speech in which something has been told by a person which is enclosed in quotation marks. Indirect speech is called reported speech. For example, now rules for indirect speech. Number 1. Reported speech is not enclosed in quotation marks. Second, use of word that. The word that is used as a conjunction between reported speech and reported verb. Clear? Then change in pronoun. The person, the pronoun like a subject of the reported speech is changed according to the that pronoun of reporting verb or object or person of reporting verb or first part of sentence. Okay, so sometimes the pronoun may not change. Here giving some examples. Okay, how to change the pronoun. So first is a direct speech. He said, I am happy. So indirect speech, he said that he was happy. First sentence is in present tense, second sentence is in past tense. Clear? So here I convert into he. Changing in time. Time is changed according to certain rules like now to then, today to that day. It's convert like this. Okay, tomorrow to next day and yesterday to previous day. Like direct speech, he said, I am happy today. So when we convert this sentence into indirect speech, so he said that he was happy that day. He was happy that day. So today convert into that day and I pronoun convert into he. Clear? Then change in the tenses of reported speech. If the first part of sentence, it means which part? Reported verb part. Okay, belongs to past tense. The tense of reported speech will change. If the first part of sentence, it means reported verb part, is in belongs to like a present or future tense, so the tense of reported speech will not change. This is very important point in this sentence. See, you know about reported verb and reported speech. See, he said this is known as a reported verb and I am happy, this is known as a reported speech. It means which word is given in quotation mark, that known as a reported speech. Now see, if reported verb is in past tense, like he said is a past tense, so we will change the tense of reported speech. See, he said I am happy, so he said that he was happy. So here tense of reported speech changed. Tense of reported speech changed. Now direct speech, he says, second sentence is he says I am happy. He says, so says indicate here present tense, so he says I am happy. Present perfect continuous changed into past perfect continuous tense. Example, first number, he said I have been studying since 3 o'clock. Okay, he said that he had been studying since 3 o'clock. So here it's converted into past perfect continuous tense. Then next sentence is she said it has been raining for 3 days. It has been raining for 3 days. So she said that it been raining for 3 days. So here present perfect continuous tense convert into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, past perfect continuous tense. Now past tense, simple past tense. So simple past tense convert into past perfect. Like he said to me, you answered correctly. So here he said to me that I had answered correctly. Clear? So this sentence convert into past perfect tense. Then he said I made a table. He said I made a table. He said that he had made a table. So here it's convert in past perfect tense. Then next tense, past continuous tense. It's convert into past perfect continuous tense. Like they said we were enjoying the weather. This is continuous tense. past continuous, it's converted into past perfect continuous. They said that they had been enjoying weather. Okay. Then he said to me, I was waiting for you. It's converted into he said to me that he had been waiting for me. So here past continuous tense convert into past perfect continuous tense. Now past perfect tense, it's changed into past perfect same tense. No changes there. Like she said she had visited a doctor. So she said that she had visited a doctor. Then he said I had started a business. Then he said that he had started a business. Other changes well done, but tense same to same. No changes in tense because of past perfect convert into past perfect same tense. Clear? Then future tense. So simple future tense will change into would. Like he said, I will study the book. So he said that he would study the book. Here we'll convert into would. Then she said, I will buy a computer. She said, I will buy a computer. Then here she said that she would buy a computer. So here we'll convert into would. Then future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. So it's will be changing to would be. Will be changing to would be. So I said to him, I will be waiting for him. So here I said to him that I would be waiting for him. Then he said, I will be working hard. He said, I will be working hard. So he said that he would be working hard. He would be working hard. So this is future continuous tense. Here will be change into would be. Then last one is a future perfect tense. So will have change into would have. In short, will convert into would in all future tenses. Like he said, I will have finished the work. So here he said that he would have finished the work. Clear? So this is the tense. Tense is how to change direct speech to indirect speech. Clear? Present perfect continuous changed into past perfect continuous tense. Example. First number. He said, I have been studying since 3 o'clock. Okay. He said that he had been studying since 3 o'clock. So here it's converted into past perfect continuous tense. Then next sentence is she said, it has been raining for 3 days. It has been raining for 3 days. So she said that it been raining for 3 days. So here present perfect continuous tense convert into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, past perfect continuous tense. Now past tense. Simple past tense. So simple past tense convert into past perfect. Like he said to me, you answered correctly. So here he said to me that I had answered correctly. Clear? So this sentence convert into past perfect tense. Then he said, I made a table. He said, I made a table.